Let's take a trip, you and I, to a world where A's fly high. A is for apple, red and bright, a snack that's oh so right. A is for ant, so small and strong, carrying leaves as they march along. A is for astronaut. In space they roam, exploring the stars far from home. Exploring the stars far from home. A, isn't it fun? So many words from just one. Amazing, awesome, airy, and arts with adventure start. A is for acorn, from the oak it falls, a tiny seed, yet it grows so tall. A is for antelope, swift and sleek, in the grass a game of hide and seek. A is for anchor, holding ships in place.